Alright, so today we're gonna do another review of an old TLR camera. This time is gonna be this beauty. It's called Ikoflex and it's from 1937. Really old goodies. It's also called coffee can, and I'm really curious to see how the image is gonna come from this nice baby. The good part of this one, I just need to say, is got a cartridge. You know, this whole back actually comes out and you need to put the film on the back. And old style, old manual is gonna have the red window, which is here, and I just put the film in, and I'm really curious to see how this one is gonna work. So let's put it to work and we're gonna see the picture shortly. Okay, thanks.